Poetry Collection 6 over Haiku, Concrete Cat, and Limerick. Don't forget to put your name, please. Number 1. What season of the year does Sasaski's haiku describe? Autumn, winter, spring, or summer? Number 2. According to Sasaski's haiku, how does the wind feel when no leaves are left to blow away? Angry, lonely, relieved, or sad? Number 3. How do you paraphrase a line of poetry? You put it in your own words, you change it into a question, you copy it exactly, you take out certain phrases in it. Number 4. Which is the best paraphrase of the following line? Winds howl and rage. Is it anger can sound like wind or it can sound like howling? What kind of anger sounds does the wind make? Wind can make loud crying noises like a very angry person. Winds howl and rage. Number 5. How many lines does a haiku poem contain? 2, 3, or 6? Number 6. Haiku poems are written about weather, a person's life, nature, anything you want. Number 7. Which statement about the limerick form is true? Limericks do not have to rhyme. Limericks are poems about nature. Limericks always include serious subject matter. Limericks are short and funny. Number 8. Which word best describes the limerick about Hall's accident? Angry, anxious, sad, silly. Number 9. What type of poem is Concrete Cat? Limerick, concrete, haiku, or free verse? Number 10. Which statement gives accurate information about Concrete Cat? It is not really a poem. It is instead a work of art. It is a poem that has no words. The speaker in the poem is a cat who has killed a mouse. It uses a unique shape that shows the subject of the poem. Number 11. Which sentence uses the vocabulary word in parentheses incorrectly? When Grandma was young, no girl would ask a fellow to a dance. The wolves keep us awake when they howl at night. Spring breezes moved in a gentle rage through the trees. That fellow who rarely gets angry was in a rage about high gas prices. Number 12. How many syllables are in each line of a haiku poem? 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 4, 6, 5, 7, 5. Number 13. The lines that rhyme in the limerick about the accident are first and second, third and fifth, first and third, second and fifth, all the lines, first, second, fifth, and then third and fourth. Number 14. Choose the best paraphrase of these two lines from the limerick poem. There was a young fellow named Hall who fell in the spring and the fall. A thief named Hall fell in the spring. A boy named Hall fell into a pool of water in the autumn. Who fell in the well? Was it young Hall? When did it happen? A boy named Hall suffered an accident when he fell into a stream of river. And number 15, concrete poems appeal mostly to the eyes, the ears, the mind, all the senses.